Hey there YouTube, my name is Matt and welcome to Crypto 101. In this video, we'll be taking a closer look at what exactly blockchain technology is, how it's being used today, and why it's the technology of the future. So if you want to find out more, stay tuned. So what exactly is blockchain technology? Well, to put it simply, as the word suggests, it's just a chain of blocks of data. Basically, it's a modernized and more secure and transparent version of a database. And database is nothing more than a collection of information on a computer. So why is blockchain better than the standard database? Well, for starters, standard databases require a lot of computational power to run. Just imagine a big company and the amount of transactions and data that goes through the company each and every day. Well, all of that data has to be stored somewhere. And it's not really uncommon for companies to rent additional spaces, facilities, rooms, and everything else to store all of that data. They just have like these rooms filled with PCs that just have data stored on them. The next thing that's really bad about the conventional database is that because it's so expensive to run and maintain, there's only one copy of all of that data. And well, because there's only one copy of it, well, that means that it's not really tamper-proof. Somebody can do some funny business to it and some bad things can happen. You don't have to look far back in the past to find companies that committed frauds and scams and people invested money into those companies and lost a lot of money because those companies tampered with their data. Well, with blockchain technology, that's not really possible. Because blockchain is a public ledger, meaning that anybody can access the data that is written in the ledger at any given time. All you have to do is just run a few algorithms on your PC, on your graphics card, and you can verify the data that is written in the block. That's also known as mining in crypto world. So when someone tells you that he's mining for Bitcoin, all he's doing is he's verifying the data that is written in those blocks. And when he verifies the data, then he gets paid out in Bitcoin. Bitcoin is a cryptocurrency, which is not to be confused with the blockchain. Those are two separate things. Basically, blockchain is a technology that cryptocurrency is being developed on. To put it more simply, look at it this way. On your Windows operating system, when you first install it, you don't have any programs. You just have the basic stuff that come with the operating system. And then you need to download and install all of the applications that you want to use on your operating system. In this case, blockchain would be your operating system and cryptocurrency would be an application or a program running on your operating system or on blockchain. And now we come to the fun part. Because blockchain technology is decentralized, it's public, it's transparent, it's tamper-proof, it's safe, it's secure. Of course, its first application would be money, or well, in this case, cryptocurrency. Bitcoin was first and many others followed. But why did it take off in such a way that it did? Well, first of all, it's decentralized, meaning that there's no country, no bank, or no anybody in control of it. Well, if you ask me, in my book, that's a win. I don't really trust banks or governments, so yeah, can't really go wrong with that. Next, it's a public ledger, meaning, as we went already through it, that anybody can access the data at any given time. It's tamper-proof, there's no funny business with it. Next, all of the transactions that are done on blockchain are peer-to-peer, meaning it's really fast and it's direct. There's no middleman in between anybody. If you're sending some money across the globe to your relatives or to someone else, that transaction is probably going to be done in 2 minutes or less. If you were sending some money through the banks, that transaction would probably take days, if maybe even weeks. Now look, cryptocurrency is only the first application on the blockchain technology. Now just imagine the amount of applications that the blockchain technology can have. Some of the industries have already started applying it, like health industry, entertainment, media. There are many more. What I'm trying to say is that this is only the beginning, and there are a lot more areas that the blockchain technology can be used in, and because it's just way better than anything that we have at the moment, it's definitely going to be used. So there are exciting times ahead of us, and this is the future, and you definitely don't want to be late to the party. If this video was helpful in any way, shape, or form, guys, then make sure to hit that like button and subscribe. It would really help me out, and until next time, guys, see ya.